have a great B2B software product. It creates value for your current customers and could create value for many, many more. But potential customers don't call you. You may get an inquiry occasionally, but it is not enough to meet your ambitions. You would like to do something to increase the awareness of your solution among potential customers, but you only have a small team and only limited funds. How do you design and operate a revenue generation process that ensures predictable and growing sales with what you have in terms of people and money? A workshop facilitated by me will help B2B software companies design and implement effective revenue generation processes. At the end of the workshop, we will have developed and documented an action plan with items aimed at enhancing your revenue generation capacity. The agenda is client-specific because no two companies are identical. Before the workshop, you will brief me on your situation, challenges and objectives through one or more web meetings. I will draft the agenda based on your input and on my own independent research. The workshop is based on my upcoming book, Revenue Generation Fundamentals, which I encourage you to read prior to the workshop. Now email me if you want to design and implement revenue generation processes that meet your strategic ambitions.